The auto shop has been a hive of activity this week as we are trying to accommodate a 1920s Invicta that needs some restoration work. The restoration work includes addressing some significant engine and gearbox problems, along with some modifications to the back axle. The customer has quite a list of other minor improvements that need to be made. The problem we face at the auto shop is actually accommodating all the vehicles that we need to work on, and some extensive reshuffling work is needed to fit everything in. That starts with moving this 1940s Ford pickup that's been restored to a rolling chassis state. We were just awaiting a custom prop shaft to arrive back before it's fitted to the vehicle and the customer can take collection. The pickup has a reconditioned flathead V8 and sounds sweet when fired up, but with no prop shaft, it's all hands to deck to get it moved. Time to move this other flathead V8 that's going to sit outside temporarily whilst we get all the cars in. Steady on, lads, it's pretty heavy. A lovely vintage Buick that needs to be shuffled over a bit to allow the Invicta to sit alongside. The Buick's been in for some engine work as well, and it's pretty much ready to go back to the customer. Good job too, I think we're going to need the space. There she goes. Amazing what a strong pair of lads can do with a trolley jack. Now the Invicta can be moved in. Someone's getting an easy ride.
Good, eh? You want to get the other side, you can chill legs for Christ. You okay? Just going to hit that. No, don't think it will yet. Oh, at least they're looking. That might hit, the spinner might hit it. Move it back a bit then. Ready? Oh, look at that. Yeah. What's it going to hit it, is it? Just give that a shove back a bit. Got that there now. Yeah, get the other lot.
You put the handbrake on?
Another trouble with this. As we go back and forth,
Yeah.
Yeah. You've seen the problems, yeah? Still too close.
Yeah.
Maybe that chassis. Oh.
This is it.
Jeez. You need a small gap and stuff.
Yeah, come across a little bit of this thing, can't we? Just put it over, like,
Yeah.
swear up his end, that'll do.
Yeah, so you can finish off.
Bit tight here.
Excellent.
So Jack's alone?
No, just push it back and steer